Hello and welcome back to Mzansi Zulu Mama. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today we are diving into 5 powerful Zulu words that you can use in everyday life. These words carry meaning, respect, and beauty. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet, thank, and uplift someone in isiZulu. Let's get started. Our first word is dlondlobala. Dlondlobala. Try and say it after me. Dlondlobala. Dlondlobala means to prosper, to flourish, or to grow successfully. Now let me give you an example. Umsebenzi wakho mawudlondlobale. And that means may your work prosper. So you can use this word when you want to wish someone well in their journey. Thokozani. Thokozani. Repeat after me. Thokozani. This beautiful word means rejoice, be happy, celebrate joy. Now let me give you an example. Thokozani ngesikhathi somshado. Rejoice during the wedding celebration. This word is often used to encourage people to enjoy a moment fully, embrace happiness, and to celebrate life together. Now, this word should be familiar, especially if you've been following me for some time. Can you guess this word? Can you say it on your own before I even try saying it? Well done. The word is ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga. I hope you remember what ngiyabonga is in English. Well, ngiyabonga means I thank you. Let me give you an example. Ngiyabonga ngokungisiza. Thank you for helping me. Ngiyabonga is one of the most important words you'll use every day. Ukhululekile. Ukhululekile. Try and say it after me. Ukhululekile. Ukhululekile means you are free or feel comfortable. Now let me give you an example. Ukhululekile ukubuza noma yini. Feel free to ask anything. This is a beautiful word for making others feel welcome. Hlonipha. 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 And the previous video we discussed what ukuhlonipha is. If you haven't watched it, you can go back and watch it and learn what ukuhlonipha means in Zulu. Hlonipha is the Zulu word for respect. But in Zulu culture, hlonipha is a way of life. It means to respect not just elders, but traditions, ancestors, sacred spaces, and even words. It teaches us humanity, honor, and dignity in how we speak and act. Now let me give you an example. Abantu abasha kumele bahloniphe abadala. Young people must respect elders. And there you have it. 5 beautiful Zulu words you can start using today. Let's quickly recap. Dlondlobala, thokozani, ngiyabonga, ukhululekile, and hlonipha. Now tell me in the comments which of these words will you use first. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Zulu language and culture lessons here on Mzansi Zulu Mama. Ngiyabonga. And until next time, nisale kahle.